Welcome back to our channel Easy Way to English. Now we are going to deal with we have been discussing about the pilgrims. Important MCQs on Chaucer's Canterbury Tales. Friar. To whom was Friar familiar with? To whom was Friar familiar with? Rich farmers and highly placed women. Rich farmers and highly placed women. What did Friar carry? What did Friar carry? What did Friar carry? Pins and knives in hood to give to fair women. Pins and knives in hood to give to fair women. How was Friar's neck? How was Friar's neck? As white as lily. How was Friar's neck? His neck was as white as lily. With whom did Friar mingle freely? With whom did Friar mingle freely? He mingled freely with innkeepers and barmaids. He mingled freely with innkeepers and barmaids. How did Friar extract money? How did Friar extract money? By reading at St. John's Gospel. By reading St. John's Gospel. What did the merchant think about the sea routes? What did the merchant think about the sea routes? Sea routes between Middelburg and Orwell must be kept safe from pirates. Sea routes between Middelburg and Orwell must be kept safe from pirates. What did the clerk study? Aristotle. What did the clerk study? Aristotle. Where did the sergeant of law go to consult the lawyers? Cathedral. Where did the sergeant of law go to consult the lawyers? Cathedral. Who followed the philosophy of Epicurus? Franklin. Who followed the philosophy of Epicurus? Franklin. What was the philosophy of Epicurus? Life is to be enjoyed to the utmost extent. Life is to be enjoyed to the utmost extent. Who had a large number of partridges? Franklin. Who had a large number of partridges? Franklin. Who had been a sheriff and an auditor? Franklin. Who had been a sheriff and an auditor? Franklin. What did Franklin store his house with? What did Franklin store his house with? Bread, wine, fish and meat. Bread, wine, fish and meat. Who had ulcer on lower part of his leg? Who had ulcer on lower part of his leg? Cook. Who stole wine from cargo? Sailor. Who stole wine from cargo? Sailor. Who could predict ocean tides? Sailor. Who could predict ocean tides? Sailor. What was the name of the sailor's ship? What was the name of the sailor's ship? Madeline. Madeline. Thank you for watching this. Don't forget to subscribe this channel.